Yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenneth Vines, co-founder of Frando Technology Company. So on today's episode, I want to show you a little great things that have happened to my life since I started doing YouTube, online business, online stuff. So no time to waste. I want us to jubilate, enjoy ourselves. I want us to be happy today. I'm not here to show you how to make money on YouTube or online. I'm here to show you my new Rolex watch. So when I started doing YouTube, one of my major aim was to buy a new Rolex watch. So when I started doing my online business, I save a lot. I save for, let's say, 5 months to buy this watch. So back in the days, I bought a watch, and I'm wearing that watch. This is the watch. I bought this watch for, let's say $6. That's, let's say, 50 Ghana cedis. Let's say 50 Ghana cedis. So I bought this watch for 50 Ghana cedis, and I've wear this watch for almost 2 years now. And I was thinking, I need a new watch. So I took my phone, I googled Rolex watch, good Rolex watch, and I searched through it, and I saw this website that's far-fetched, and I find my watch, the watch I like, and my watch was expensive. The price was like $120,000. I was like, wow, $120,000? Nah, I can't afford this. So I nearly gave up on my dream watch, that's Rolex watch. Good diamond Rolex watch. So I give a try on a different day, and I visit this same website that's far-fetched, and I was glancing through it, and I saw this watch. Wow, the watch was so amazing, was so expensive, was so neat, and was so cool. And as a Ghanaian YouTuber or a Ghanaian online business owner, I need a new watch. I don't need to wear this watch for like a decade. I need to buy a new watch. So starting my career, starting my online business, the first aim was, when I get this amount of money, I'll buy a new watch. So after a new watch, the thing I'll buy, I'll show it to you. I'll show it to you. So I found this watch, and this watch was expensive though. I bought this watch like 6,000 Ghana cedis. In our Ghana cedis, like 6,000 Ghana cedis. I know people will be saying, how could where Jimmy, why it's up a top watch 6,000 cedis. So I bought this watch 6,000 cedis. They are 60 million. 6,000 cedis. So today, I've been wearing this watch for so long, for 2 years now, and I want to change this watch. So I'm saying goodbye to this watch. I'm actually watching that too. Watching that. In some in Apa. What the? Now, I'm actually watching that. So I'm saying goodbye to this watch. Introducing my new watch to you. It's my new Rolly. Is it a Rolly? Is it a Rolly? Cha. So I'm saying welcome to the family. Welcome to Frando Technology Company. Welcome my new Rolly. Also, because I'm saying like, I said, hey, what watch? Hey, Charlie. So this is my new rolly. He say, oh, that one go what the hell? So yeah, so I got myself a new watch. That's a new rolly, yeah, a new rolly, new rolly. And you can find this watch on Farfetch, yeah, farfetch.com. Yeah, get all your rolly watch, yeah, yeah. So I know some say when energy, so I thought watch 6,000 Ghana cedis, but this one is like buying a car, like this is my dream watch. Yeah, my dream watch. I wanted to buy this watch and I bought it. This is my dream watch. So I have a lot of things to achieve. And I know I'm alive and God is watching over me. God is protecting me. And now I'll do good things. Yeah. So I bought myself a 6,000 Ghana cedis really. Yeah. And I know I'll buy a lot of things when I keep going and you keep supporting me. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to watch this video, or if you want to get business ideas to start your own business and get or earn a lot of money to buy good stuff for yourself. Yeah, the next thing we're the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, the co-founder of Rando Technology Company, and I'm out.